Okay, morning everyone. I think board is visible here. Let's look at the board. Is it visible clearly? So can you see what I've written on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, morning everyone. So I think we are meeting after so many days, right? So we'll keep this as a revision class for model 4 and 5. So we'll make two sessions, okay? So today's session we'll go with model number 4 and one more session when you want to let me know, maybe Monday or Tuesday. So we'll keep one more session and we'll try to wind the fifth model, few more topics also. Am I clear?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So I hope everyone got the model 1, 2, 3. Any doubts anyone with the K-map plotting or Quinn-McCluskey or how to do that SOP form, Peirce form? Is that things clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So then straight away we'll move on. So I hope everyone got the concept what you went through with respect to model number 4 and 5. So we'll just try to do the things to understand in a better way. Okay. So I hope everyone got the concept of your excitation table. So how to write excitation table for your JK flip-flop or SR flip-flop or T flip-flop or D flip-flop? Everyone know how to write the excitations table? How we got that? Yes or no?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, good. So we'll proceed with that. So we'll try to understand how to write a excitation table for any flip-flop. Then from that we will take on the counter part. So what are the things you're going to learn in counter, synchronous, asynchronous? Then we will be dealing with the problems based on synchronous, asynchronous. So that will be today's part. Okay. So next part we will be dealing with your Millet-Morier. If possible, we'll start today Millet-Morier. If not, next session Millet-Morier along with your BCD2XS. Then you have some sequential detector. Correct now? So that will keep as one more session. So today we'll try to finish. We'll try to finish counter design and we'll try to touch the Millet-Morier if possible. Okay now? Everyone,
Okay,
is it
sir.
fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now we'll straight away move on how to plot or how to write a excitations table for any flip-flop, because whenever you do any design, so whether you're doing with respect to counter design or sequential design or Millet-Morier design, so your excitation table plays a major role. So with it that you can't plot a complete table or you can't get a logic diagram. Okay, so we'll try to analyze that. So just make a heading as excitation table. So excitation table, you just look at if I'm writing here, is it visible? Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll try to analyze the excitation table for each flip-flop. So straight away we'll move with the first one, SR flip-flop. So I hope everyone got the difference between your flip-flop and latches, right? So what is the major difference between flip-flop to latch? What is the major difference between flip-flop to latch? How we are controlling latches, how we are controlling flip-flop. You already went through this concept, no, in model number 3. Yeah?
Clock.
Clock pulse.
Clock.
Clock pulse. Good. So you're going to control using clock pulse, right? So before going to understand this excitations table, so let's try to write a normal truth table for your SR flip-flop. Okay. So how many inputs you have in SR flip-flop?
2.
2 input.
Two input.
So what is the meaning of S and R here?
Set and reset.
Good. So let's set and reset. So combinations input are 2 means how many combinations you can expect? If inputs are 2, how many combination you can expect? 2 power n combination. It means 4 combination. Correct? So the possibilities are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So S and R stands for set and reset. Okay, now. So now tell me what is the output for this. If it is 0, 0, what is the output here? What is the output? Am I audible to everyone? Voice is clear or any breaking happening because of data here? Am I clear? So the board is visible clearly? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the output for 0, 0 combination in SR flip-flop here?
No change.
No change. No change means what? Whatever the previous output was there, that will retain its position, right? So we can write it as no change. So earlier whatever things was there, if it is 0, 0, if it is 1, 1. Okay, now that's the meaning of no change. What about 0, 1? What about 0, 1?
0, 1.
0, 1 output is what?
1, 0.
1, 0. It means I need to write what here? I should write 1 or 0 here?
1.
1. Then 1, 0.
0.
0.
And 1.
And last condition 1, 1.
No change.
No, you won't get no change for 1, 1. No change is only for your 0, 0 input. So for 1, 1 condition,
Not defined.
it is
Toggle.
undefined. Undefined. Nothing but we're going to call it as high impedance state. What's the meaning of high impedance state? See, this is the drawback of your SR flip flop. Okay. See what is happening here.
Toggle,
Setting S as 1, R as 1, your Q, QB both tending to become either 0 or both becoming 1. Is it possible? If Q is
No, sir.
0, your Q bar should be 1. That is what the logic, right? But when it comes to this SR flip-flop 1, 1 condition, both tend to become 0, both tend to become 1. Is it possible?
No, sir.
That is why we are going to call it as high impedance state, undefined state. That is why written there Z. That is called as high impedance or the state which doesn't exist. Okay. So both can become. So this is what the truth table you went through in your SR flip-flop. Right. So to overcome this last category 1, 1 condition high impedance only, you went for JK flip-flop. There was a slight change in the diagram, right? So we are overcoming this high impedance state. But what is the drawback you got in JK? What is the drawback you got in JK? What is the drawback here? JK flip flop 1, 1 condition ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Toggle.
Good, toggle. So if you get 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, it will keep switching off, right? So in order to overcome that, we went for master slave. Okay. So that will keep aside. So everyone got how to write a truth table for your SR flip flop. This is a generalized one. Still, I have not taught you how to write an excitation table. So is this fine till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now, so let me make this as output. Fine. So this high impedance state. So we wrote something called as no change. So whenever you consider output, you will be having two states, right? One is Qn, one is Qn plus 1. Agree? Agree.
Yes, sir.
Cut and draw. Whenever I say output, output is of two parts. One is present state Qn, one more is next state Qn plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Okay. Now listen. So this is your outcome. Let's try to analyze how to write the present state output and next state output for the normal truth table. Then we will link with your excitations table. Okay, na? Yeah. So now tell me, what is the output you got here? It's no change. You got Q1 plus as no change. Sari and wrong? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Fine. See what I will do. I will keep this present state as X. What is the meaning of X? What is the meaning of X?
Either 1 or 0, sir.
It's a don't care condition, either 1 or 0.
1 or
Sarinappa?
0.
So either 1 or 0 is what the don't care condition you have, right? Okay. So now, if I take X, I can climb 0 once, 1 once. I can give both the inputs. Agree? Can I give both the inputs? Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So then what is your Qn plus now? If it is 0, 0, if your present state is 0, next state is also 0. Sarinappa?
Yes,
That is
sir.
what the first condition, right? No change. So if input is 1, 1, Q is 1, that is your present state is 1, what will happen for next state? That is also equal to 0 only. Sir in wrong?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, if it is 1, same condition. Set the same condition, SR both are 0, 0. If your Qn becomes 1, then again Qn plus 1 becomes 1. Understood or not? Understood or not, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So now proceed same way. Let me go with, see, understand one excitation table, same concept repeats for other. Okay. So now let me go with 0, 1 combination. So 0, 1 combination, your QB bar is what 1 you told. But what is this? If I take this as 0 and 1, this as 0 and 1. If it is 0, 1, with respect to Q, output is 0 and apa.
1, 0.
0 na 1 na. Look at the table and tell me, for 0, 1 condition you told 1 as the output, right? What? That output a QB output here. Is it QN output here? Yeah, everyone I'm
Q1, sir.
So whatever thing you told this will plus 1. Whenever I say S is equal to 0, R is equals to 1, what is the truth table for your Qn is 1, Qn plus 1 is 0. Sarina?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this? Is it fine? Shall I proceed? See, if you are getting doubt, you better go and write the truth table with respect to Qn here. So let me write for Qn plus here. So this is a separate table. Okay. So just worry about these 3 columns now. Only these 3 columns. I am writing S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0. You got QB as no change. Okay na? Second condition 0, 1. Set is 0, reset is 1. If it is 0, 1 condition, your Qn plus is 0, your Q is 1. Agree? Artha ಆಗ್ತೇನು
Yes, sir.
Sarina? Similarly, if set is 1, reset is 0, then your Qn plus 1 become 1. If it is 1, 0, your Qn plus 1 is 1. It means what? Q is 0 anta artha. Then last condition is I impedance state. Any doubts anyone till here? Anybody want me to repeat what I told? Is it fine till here? This is fine. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what I am trying to tell is to plot any excitation table. This logic is not explained anywhere. This logic, what I am telling, based on this only you are going to build a excitation table. For that purpose, I am just trying out you to explain. Okay. So now you got this output. This Qn is nothing but this. This Qn is nothing but this, right? So now we need to know how to compare with this your Qn to get Qn plus 1. So now what I told, you gave all the Qn as don't care condition, XXX. It means either 0 or 1. So whether you give 0 or 1, there is no change in the first condition, same way you got 0, 1. That's why we will write this it as no change. Understood? Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now coming to this 0, 1 condition, see whatever your present state you don't give, output is 0 only. That is your next category. Look at here, whether I give my don't be condition as 0 or 1, it remains with respect to 0, 0 only. Understood or not? Am I clear with this? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is your second output. Similarly, coming to 1, 0 category, if I give don't care as 0 or 1, output always remains 1 only. Sarina?
Yes,
For
sir.
1, 0 condition, whether you give this as 0 or this as 1, there will be output replicas as 1 itself. Am I clear with 1, 0 combination? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
is it fine here? Okay. So then what will happen for the last category? If you take 1, 1, 0, 1, so what is happening here? It is going for high impedance state. So some book they are given X, some book they are given as Z. Both are same only. High impedance state. And don't compare this X with this X. This is don't care condition and this is high impedance state X condition. Have you got this much first of all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So now let me try to write a excitation table for it. So this is the excitation table. So which involves your Q, N plus 1, S and R. So now I will tell you how to fill this table. Okay. So is it visible there what I'm writing? Everyone, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now look at here. Whenever you plot any excitation table, Qn plus 1 are the 4 combinations what we have. So 4 combinations yadappa 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So these are the 4 combinations what we have. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they will tell the answer for this is 0 and X. So the first category excitation table tells that for 0, 0 input we are going to get 0x as a output. I mean with respect to excitation table. So now the question is how we got that as 0 and x. Can anyone tell me how we got that 0 and x? Yeah.
When S is equal to 0, 0, 0 and 0, 1, Q is 0, 0 and Qn and Q are 0, 0.
Okay, good. So let me tell you what your friend is trying to explain. See, for 0, 0 condition, I got 0x as a SR input, right? So let's check out how we got that. Look at this table. See, this is why this table plays a major role now. That is why I written here. If you know this, then you can write it easily. In this table, check out where our 0, 0 combination is there. So 0, 0 combination is here as well as here. Any other, you can find 0, 0 combination here. You are getting what I'm telling everyone? 0, 0
Yes, sir.
is here and here, nowhere else. Agree? Agree, yaar?
Yes.
So I will write here, just check out, is it visible? 0, 0.
Yes, sir.
We have two combinations. So first combination is applicable to what? 0, 0. Sarina? This is for 0, 0. Yes, sir. Is it visible here? What I'm writing? Everyone, is it visible what I'm writing? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yes, sir. For 0, 0 input, you got 0, 0. Similarly, you got one more 0, 0 for 0, 1 input. Look at here. S is having common in both. What is the common term there? What is the common term there?
0.
0. So can I take that 0 here?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Similarly, you can look at here. R is changing from 0 to 1. So it means it should be don't care, right? That is why we have climbed X in that position for excitation stable. How many are doubt still? Have you got the first line to be filled? Yes or no?
Sir, can I explain one more
Yes,
time,
sir.
sir?
Yeah, I will repeat once more. See, if you look at any excitation table, so they are given straight away. This is excitation table. Qn is there, Qn plus is there, SR is there. Okay. So this Qn, how you have to fill? I just told it's just a combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now the logic is to get this, what should be the input to be given at the excitation table. Okay. So you have found the first combination as 0, 0. So I made you to write one table before this. Correct? So in this, check out the combination of 0, 0 present. So 0, 0 present in this as well as this. It means first row as well as a third row. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Any other combination is there? No, no. So you got two combination of 0, 0. Look at here. 0, 0, 0, 0. For what input you got? Just verify. This 0, 0 you got for 0, 0. So is this visible? What I have written here? You want me to write once more?
No, sir.
Yeah. So this 0, 0, I got this 0, 0. Similarly, the second 0, 0 I got for the input combination of 0, 1. Sign up. So this 0, 1 is what I wrote here. Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Now, what I am claiming is, so these are two outputs, combine these two. If you combine these two, S is having a common term called 0 for both the cases. Agree?
Yes, sir.
That's why I wrote the first with 0. Similarly, check out R. It is having 0, 1. So 0, 1 is what is the meaning of that? It is not constant. It is a don't care condition. Correct, Anapa?
Sir.
That is why we wrote X here. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Fine? Good. So now let's proceed with the second. I want answers from you now. So let's take a combination of 0, 1. So what is the output now for 0, 1? You verify like this what I did now.
1, 0.
1, 0. So your friend told 1, 0 is the answer. Everyone agree with this? We'll verify that. Okay. So now what is the combination you just search here? 0, 1. So where is 0, 1 search here? Where is 0, 1? Is it this combination? That is the only combination is having 0, 1 combination. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if we climb the corresponding input, it says 1, 0. That is why we will write for 0, 1 combination 1, 0 as an answer. Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
See, the excitation table, this part is not explained anywhere. That's why I thought to explain you once more, because many have doubt out of the excitation table itself. They straight away they have given this table. They not explain from where you got, how you got. So that is what the main agenda to do any designing part. That is why we did this concept once more. So now, can you tell me answer for 1, 0? 1, 0.
0,
0, 1 now. Okay. So your friend told 0, 1. Let's verify it. 1 0 outcome पहले 1 0. It's here. Again only one combination of 1 0 is there. Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So that is why the corresponding input I represent as 0 1. Okay. Now coming to last category. 1 1 condition. Check out 1 1 condition and tell me answer.
X0.
X0. Okay. So the friend told X0 as answer. Let's verify. Check out how many 1 1 combinations you have. So you have 1 1 combination here. You have 1 1 combination here. So 1 1 1 1. So this first 1 1 is for your first input. Second 1 1 is for your 1 0 input. Saran Rupa, is it fine?
Sir, for 1
Yes, sir.
0,
Pardon?
so for 1 0, we should even check for in the no care of, like, sorry, in no change we can check no, sir.
1 0 you won't
Okay.
get no change concept here. Yeah, 1 0 I get here also. I taken no.
Yeah,
I've taken this 1 1 condition. For which you are telling 1 0 combination, huh?
sir.
1 0 combination, only this one, no. There is no change combination here. You got 0 1 0 1 as it is. That is called no change. No change in the result of first condition.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So in this column we have 1 0 option only for the second one. Where is 1 0 combination for this? No change
Yes, sir.
means what? If present state is 0, next state is also 0. If present state is 1, next state is also 1. So there is no combination of 1 0 only, no there.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Artha aita percent ide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, if you have doubt, let me know, because this is a doubt clearing session. So you should not have any doubts while writing the exam. Okay. See why this table plays a major role. I hope everyone know, because later part everywhere you can see excitation table, excitation table. Straight away you are writing this, but you don't know how we got this. At least how we got this, you understood now.
Yes, sir.
So now I will give a task to get me the answer for this, like JK flip flop also. Will you? Shall we move on to JK flip flop excitation table now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any doubts, anyone, with this plotting of SR flip flop? If you know this, then remaining you will do easily, not an issue. Shall we proceed? Shall we? Any doubts, ma? Rita? Ruchita?
No, sir.
Artha ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now let's proceed for next flip flop called as SR. Let me erase everything. So now you should tell me the answer. So we'll just change the sequence. This remains same, and you tell me what will happen for this. So JK. So the excitation table for JK flip flop. Yes. So we'll go one by one. Yeah. So for 0 0 condition, what is the output here? I told you a JK flip flop nothing but SR flip flop only. Only for 1 1 condition there is a toggling occurring. Correct and wrong? Yes. What is the outcome for 0 0 JK?
Memory.
No change,
No
right?
change.
So I can write Qn itself. Whatever Qn is there, that will be the output for this. Correct, Appa? Next. For 0 1. ಈಗ ತಾನೆ ಬರ್ದಲ್ರೋ 0 1 ಏನು output? 0 1 I am writing for
One.
Qn plus, so it means 0 tane. Next 1. Now tell me what will happen for this last condition. So this was the forbidden state, high impedance state or undefined state in SR flip flop. We are overcoming that using JK flip flop. So what is the outcome now? What is your Qn plus would be?
Qn bar.
Qn bar. Good. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? See, Qn bar means what? It's a complement, right? So for 1-1 condition, I am going to get toggling in JK flip flop. So if you give Qn as 0, you will get 1 in Qn bar. Artha agtideyappa? Is it fine till here? Everyone, shall we proceed? Shall we proceed here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now look at this. I told you this condition already. You can designate with XX. So it means two combination 0 1, again 0 1, again 0 1, again 0 1. Okay. So now what will happen for this? This remains same 0 1 only. That is what the meaning of Qn. Sarinappa. Sarin draw. Next. Next output of. My voice is breaking here. You are not able to audible what I am asking. Everyone? Am I audible or not?
Audible.
Okay. So now tell me what is the next output?
0, 0.
0. So whether you give 0 or 1, that remains what? 0 only. So let me put a division, it will be easier for you to understand. Okay now? So this is a subcategory. Similarly 1 1 and this is 1, and what I should write for this last category? So if it is 0, what will you get?
1.
1. If it is 1, 0. See, this is the only last state you need to understand very, very carefully. If I get present state as 0, next state will be toggle of that. That is 1. 1, 0. So this is your Qn bar state. Look at the Qn and Qn bar. Is it toggled? Go.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now can you tell me the answer for this excitation table of JK? Excitation table JK. Answer. For 0 0. What is the output here?
Zero X.
0x. Okay. Verify that. So how many 0 zeros are there? So this is a first combination, second combination. So if you look at this, right? So 0 and this is x. That is why it is next. For 0 1.
One X.
0 1 get wrong. 1. Is it correct? 1. So just search for 0 1. So 0 1 is here and 0 1 is here. In these two, the last two. So last two, 1 is common. That's why 1, as your friend told. So 0 1 is a don't get condition. That's why x. I think you're able to understand now how to write an excitation table, everyone. Is it fine here?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So go with next 1 0 again output.
X1.
X1.
Good. So 1 0 okay. Search for 1 0. 1 0 is here. That's it. Huh? There is one more. This one, last category. So here, this state is 0 1 and this state is 1 1. So it means the first input are 0 1, that is don't care, and k becomes 1. Okay, last one. 1 1
X0.
How much?
X0.
X0. Good. So now 1 1 condition are here as well as here. So this two, if you verify, you are going to get the answer. Where is 1 1 condition? Is it fine, everyone, with this? Everyone got the logic now how to get the excitation table? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, since JK and SR was having 2 input, 4 combinations, you got the excitation table. Think about D and T flip-flop. It is having only, how many inputs you have?
1.
Only 1. Then what will be the excitation table? How it looks? How it looks? Is it same 4 combination only I should take, or only 2 combination you will take? That is the question now. So SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, you understood because of 2 input combination. So you got 4 combinations you got. Now tell me how to plot for D and T. Yeah. How will you get for D? Is this fine? Shall I move on to D flip-flop? Shall I erase it off here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me how to get for D flip-flop. If you write for D, then you can write for T same way. D flip-flop. How many inputs? Yes, it is D, and one more is Q1 plus 1. So if I give 0, what's the output here? D flip-flop ಏನು
Zero.
logic 0 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
0.
0. 1 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
1.
1. So this is your normal. So now the combinations remains same only. Whether you write for 1 input or 2 input, the excitation table always requires for 4 combinations. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So out of which you need to write only D. Only D. So what is the logic I told you? Same procedure. Qn x x, and you know Qn plus 1 is what, right? So it is for 0, this is for 1, this is for 0, this is for 1. Fill the table. What's the output? Whether you use this or this, output remains what? Yeah, I'm asking you people only. Output remains what? Yeah.
0.
0.
0.
So 0, 0, you can climb 0. And last is 1, 1, you can climb 1. So now apply the logic what we taught and check out what is answers now. If it is 0, 0, what is the output here? How many 0, 0s here?
1.
Only 1. So what is the D input now? Is it 0 only?
0.
Arthakchandra. Next for 0, 1. 0, 1 is here.
1.
What is corresponding output? Output is 1. So can I climb the input also as 1? Next, 1, 0 lidappa. 1, 0 is here. So it means 0. 1, 1 is here. It means 1. Look at this. First two are 1 category, next two are 1 category. Output remains 0, 1, 0, 1. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the
Yes, sir.
way you need to analyze the excitations table. So I hope after knowing D flip-flop, you can write for T by your own. Is it fine? Shall we move on to next part?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. So that completes your excitation table for any flip-flops. So if anybody have doubt with this, you can ask me, or else let me move on to next counters. Is this fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So let's move on to counters now. So in this counters, we have synchronous, asynchronous. Can anyone differentiate me? What is the difference between synchronous to asynchronous? What is the difference? You have done lab also on this, correct? Synchronous, asynchronous difference ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. No one? How the difference you can see the variation diagram at least? What's the
In
rate? Hmm.
In asynchronous, clock is given from the previous output, sir.
Synchronous, you're going to give clock from
Asynchronous.
previous. Hey, that is asynchronous. In synchronous, common clock is fed. In synchronous, only one clock is fed continuously. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Asynchronous, only at the first block you're going to send the clock. The output of each block will act like a clock to next one. Yes or no? Yes or no, yeah? I hope everyone remember the synchronous asynchronous concept. If it is asynchronous, if you take a block here, for example, if you take D flip flop, so assume the 2-bit are taken. What is the difference between this to this? Hear the difference, sir? If it is like this, what is the difference? If it is like this, what is the difference? Have you
Active
seen
low,
this? Yeah?
active low and active high, sir.
Active low, active high. With respect to clock, I'm talking. So with respect
Positive
to
and edge and negative edge, sir.
good.
One
Positive.
negative
So
edge.
if it is in this fashion, if there is no bubble, it indicates it is a active high. This is
Positive.
active low, means positive edge, negative edge.
Negative.
Artha aita?
Yes, sir.
So you can pick whichever end you want, that is left to you. If it is asynchronous, what is the category here? Clock you are fed here. So assume that D is an input. From this input, I am waiting for a clock. Agree? Is this the combination what you learned for your asynchronous? This is your cue. Cut and draw. Asynchronous. Your clock is depending upon the previous state. Yes or no? Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So what about your synchronous then? I am not taking a different clock. A common clock is fed simultaneously. So which is faster now? Synchronous or asynchronous?
Synchronous.
Synchronous. Okay na? So this much awareness you just have. So after this, there is a two concept. Designing of synchronous as well as designing of asynchronous. So if it is a asynchronous, so they are going to call it as one more name. What is the one more name? Anyone remember? What's the one more name for asynchronous counter? Ripple counter. Is it fine? So asynchronous counter also called as ripple counter. So whenever you come across the word ripple, even though if you didn't mention asynchronous in the question, you have to do design of asynchronous only. Am I clear? Everyone, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now we will make out a difference how to design a synchronous, asynchronous separately. So let's try to do with asynchronous first. So if the question is design a BCD ripple count counter, design a BCD ripple counter using JK flip flop. So JK flip flop is what they have asked, and they ask you to get BCD. So the word ripple will tell you this is a part of asynchronous design. Got the question? See, using can be anything. It may be SR flip flop, it can be D flip flop, T flip flop, whatever they ask, that is secondary. Only thing you should remember, BCD truth table remains same. The diagram wise, the representation of your flip flop will be different. That's it. Otherwise, it's one the same. Okay, na? Is it fine? Got the question, everyone? So we'll try to analyze using JK flip flop. Same question we'll try to do with SR flip flop also. Is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have some set of steps to be followed to solve any synchronous or asynchronous design. So what is step number 1? What you should do? You need to know how many flip flops are required to do designing, right? Yes or no, yeah? You need to know how many flip flops you required. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula to calculate that? It says 2 power n should be greater than or equal to capital N. Sorry, na? So what value of n if you give there, it will give you, it's 2 power small n, sorry. It's 2 power n greater than or equal to capital N, right? So now they are given BCD ripple counter as a design. So BCD means how much? Is it 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10? How much? How much here BCD in there?
10.
10. So it means you are designating from 0 to 9. What is the meaning of BCD? Binary coded decimal. Your decimal combination for this binary number till 0 to 9. So after 9, what you will do? After 9, what you will do?
Hexadecimal.
That is hexadecimal number, but it is a part of BCD only. Okay, I can consider 10 as A, as your friend told hexa mode, then 11 as B, so on till n number. Okay, na? So 0 to 9 means 10 states. So what should be the value I should place there? What is n now? Is it this capital N is 10? Yes or no, yaar?
Yes, sir.
So this represents the counter design what they have asked in the question. Since it is BCD 10, I can claim n is equal to capital 10. So the logic is what value of this small n shall I put such a way that this condition is satisfied. If I put 1, no, 2, no, 3, maximum 8, no, then 4. Is it possible? Hey, you got what I am asking for you? Everyone, is it fine?
No, sir.
So what is the answer? So if I give 3, you will get 8. So 8 is not greater than or equal to. So maximum is 4. So if I give 4, it becomes 16. So it means n is equals to 4. Small n indicates the number of flip-flops are required. So how many flip-flops required now?
4.
4 flip-flops. And of which type? That will be given the question. If it is JK, JK. If it is SR, SR. TT, depending upon that, you need to plot. And make sure it is a asynchronous logic. Whenever you write each state, clock is a major part in your design. So asynchronous means only one clock. Output will be fetching as next clock pulse. Okay, na? So step number 1. Any doubts, anyone? Is it fine here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Step number 2. You need to write the type of flip-flop required. So step number 2, you require JK flip-flop. Over. Step number 3, what do you want? You need to plot a truth table for this counter design. Plot a truth table for this counter design, everyone. Truth table. So how many combinations now? How many combinations?
4.
4 combinations. So it means you will get, is it visible? Just check out A, B, C, D, and there should be a clock. Okay. So you need to give a clock pulse 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after this, it is not required for me because your BCD counter ends there only. Okay, na? So combinations bharidappa. So what is the output you will write now? Output Y. What is the output? Yeah. What's the output for this? You need to climb 1 or 0. Yeah, I'm asking you people only. What's the output states? Where are you, yaar? Listening? Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the output I should write here? You need to climb. How many states? You wrote 10 states. It means 0 to 9 output is 1 only. Yes or no? So after 9, whatever input you give, whatever clock you give, output changes to 0. Because I should count only from 0 to 9. So till there, your count should be high. It means output should be 1. Yes or no? Is it fine till here?
Yes.
Okay. So after this, see, ultimate goal is to get the logic diagram. To get the logic diagram, truth table is not itself is sufficient. What I want an expression to write a logic diagram. How to get the logical expression now? What you will do for this?
K-map.
Good. So apply K-map for this truth table and get me the equation. So I hope everyone remember how to plot. So how many cells K-map you will put now? How many cells K-map?
16.
16 cells K-map. Good. Because you have A, B, C, D. So plot that and tell me what is the equation. So you have to remember, right? 16 cells. So A, B, C, D. So combination you can take 1, 0, 1, 1. Same way also. So cell number 1, 3. Yeah. So I should fill the number of ones from 0 to 9 alpha. So 1, 1, 1, 1. This also 1, 1. And then only these two are 1, 1. Sarendra? How to do groupings now in K-map? Maximum you have to start with what?
8.
Octa.
Octa.
So you have to check out with octa, because if you pair octa, if you combine octa, you're going to get the number of expression less as much as possible. If not possible, then comes quad. If not quad, then comes pair. It is also not par, then comes your single marking. Okay. So now do you have a quad option here? Sorry, octa option here.
Yes, sir.
So I can combine this complete as your. So this is also there. What should we do? Do you want me to take this or you want me to take 4? Shall we consider quad? Everyone, is it fine? Shall I consider this as a quad? If this two as a pair, what will happen? Number of expression is to reduce as much as possible. Make it as a quad. Make it. So what is the expression from this octa? What's the common term here? It's A bar. How about this two? Common is B bar here, and here common is C bar. So you're going to get expression as A bar plus B bar C bar. Any doubts anyone with this? Any doubts anyone with this? Say something, yeah, yes or no. Shall I proceed or not?
Proceed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is the pre-final step. So once you got the expression, I need to implement this in the logic diagram. So we need to know logic diagram, how to plot depending upon the flip-flop, and it is a asynchronous type. How many flip-flops required now?
4.
Good, 4. So write 4. What flip-flops you should write now?
JK.
JK. So write the 4 blocks like this. So we'll write it as A. So inputs are 2. JA, KA. Sarina? So A ali A barutte. Output enirtho QA na. And for this you can connect the clock. If it is positive edge, the bubble is not required. If it is negative edge, bubble should be given. Okay. So these are two inputs JK, and this is a common clock I am giving. So same way we need to write three more. So this is B. Similarly C. Similarly D. Okay. So clock. Separate. Only one clock. Yeah. How many will give here? How many clocks are required?
One clock.
Only one clock. So next clock is depending upon the output of each. Sarina? So this is a drawback of your asynchronous counter. But while designing, so you make sure everything is given properly. Right? Is this fine till here? Everyone? Any doubts? So still we are not completed diagram. The last D. QD and QD bar. Okay. So now clock is done. Flip-flops are done. So now tell me what is the connection I should make? See this individual D, then B and C, A should be given to logic 1. Yes or no, yeah? You need to give
Yes,
the
sir.
combination of these two inputs. These two inputs to logic 1. Sarina? I need to connect this to logic 1. Then how to get this in that diagram? Where I should plot this? Where is A bar for me? Search for A bar. Where is A bar?
QA bar.
Nothing but this only. Okay, na? If you want, you can climb A here and you can climb A bar here. Okay. So you want A bar means this output. Fine. Next B bar C. B bar is here and C bar. So which gate I should connect for B bar C bar?
AND gate.
Good. So connect AND gate here, and this combination should be given to which gate here?
OR gate.
OR gate.
So is it the expression for your Y? Understood? Any doubts, anyone? So that fifth step will tell you the designing of your asynchronous has been completed. So this is the way you need to do designing for your async. So any difficulties to draw this? Any flip-flop they give, stick on with that. Find how much you want, draw truth table, get a K-map equation, dump that in the logic diagram. So this is a procedure you have to follow. So you can easily score 10 marks in this. Am I fine with this? Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
So shall we move on to synchronous now? Or you want break?
Continues.
Okay. So we will do synchronous also then. Fine. So let's move on. So I hope everyone will do how to perform this asynchronous part. So coming to your next part, that is your synchronous design. Okay. Another question now. So there is a slight change in this design to that design step or a procedure. So question is design synchronous mod 6 counter, design synchronous mod 6 counter using SR flip-flop. So you have to design a synchronous mod 6 counter using clocked SR flip-flop. So clocked SR flip-flop. Okay. Can anyone tell me what could be the difference between this design to your synchronous design? So there are some changes to be happen in that synchronous design. Can anyone differentiate? What could be that? What's the difference in representation here?
Clock, sir.
Clock. Good. So we used to fit only one clock and I used to take output of each to another clock, right? So the delay was more, and if something goes wrong to first one, there was same waiting procedure for remaining. So to overcome that, synchronous came. I'm going to fit a common clock to all, and it is going to happen simultaneously. So fitting of clock will happen simultaneously. So that's why it is faster than your asynchronous. That is one change. Good. Next, apart from that, so in this first category, you just worried about a normal truth table and you got a K-map equation, then you got the logic diagram. But that is not the case for your synchronous. Since each clock pulse are given, I should go with my excitation table. So this is a reason why I told you or taught you at the beginning how to analyze a excitation table. Is it fine with you people? So since each clock is fed, you need to check out excitation for each state. So that's why we won't write a normal truth table for synchronous design. It should be based on your excitation table. Then for that table, K-map, that design will come to picture. So that will carry 10 to 12 marks. Is it fine till here? Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write on the question, written already. So what is the first step now? Same procedure. So what is the mod counter they have asked for you? What mod counter? Mod 5 or mod 4 or mod 6 or mod 6. So means you can count from where to where? From where to where you will count here? Yeah. From where to where you will count?
0 to 5.
Good. So only 0 to 5. See the question and answer. If they ask mod 3 counter, mod 4, mod 5, mod 6, whatever they ask, stick on to procedure. So you can count from 0 to 5 if it is a mod 6 counter. So now you need to count the number of flip-flops required. So mod 6 counter, how much required? So now I am performing synchronous. So it's synchronous design. Okay na? So again same formula. So n is equal to 6, right? So what is your small n now? 2 power. Yes, draw.
3.
2 power 3. So 2 power 3 greater than or equal to 6. So it means 8. So it's greater than 6. So we can prove n is equal to 3. So number of flip-flops required are 3 and type is SR. So this is your first two steps. Step 1 to count the number of required, and step 2 number of what type of flip-flops you want. Is it fine till here? Everyone, is it fine? Shall we proceed? Yeah.
Sir.
So now we need to plot an excitation table. So before going for excitation table, so in one side you write the excitation table for your reference so that you can fill the next table easily. Okay. So let me erase this part. Can anyone tell me what was the excitation table for SR flip-flop? So there was Qn plus 1, then SR. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. N row combination
0, 0, 0x, sir.
0x first ke amalapa.
1, 0.
Amala.
0, 1 and x 0, sir.
Last term x0 na?
Sir, X0.
Okay. So this is what the excitations table everyone got, right? So with this reference, we need to go with step number 3. So to obtain the excitations table, and it is for each flip-flop because clock is separate nalla, clock is individual. It is going to give us separately earlier, right? Now I'm going to give common to all. So what you should do, you make a table with columns like present state, step 3. Present state, how many flip-flops required? How many?
3.
So it means present state will be QA, QB, QC. Sarendra? Arthaktyapa, if it is 4 state, QA, QB, QC, QD, right? So number of next state ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Next state ಏನು? QA plus 1, you can write here plus 1 or you can write above also, not an issue. QB plus 1, QC plus 1. Amala, you have to represent the flip-flop inputs. So flip-flop inputs again, how many combinations you will get? One is SA, one is RA, one category. Similarly SB, RB, and last is SC, RC. So first make an outline of a truth table. So is it fine with you people what I wrote? The truth table, is it fine? How we wrote, you got no? Since it is asked for SR flip-flop, I wrote SR. If it is JK, JK, TT, DD. Okay and wrong? Is it fine everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now 3 states means how many combinations? 3 states means how many combinations? 2 power 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ?
8.
So you have to write the 8 states down. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay na? So our count will happen from where to where? 0 to 5 matra. If it is a mod 6 counter. So 6th and 7th, whatever input you give, whatever output you give, everything remains, don't care. So you don't worry about the last category, you worry about filling up first 5. Is it fine till here? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now you should tell me how to write this next state. So what is the next state for 0? 0 next state in row.
1, sir.
1. That's it. 1 get 2 na. 2 get 3. 3 get 4. 4 get 5. Amala. What is the next state for 5? What you should get?
0.
Good. So it comes back to normal state. See, this is a mistake you will commit. Be careful. Okay. So 0 in the 1. You can count only 5. After 5, if you keep proceeding, it loops back to original position or initial condition 0, 0. Then what will you write for this? What is the next state for this two condition? It's high impedance. Whatever you want to take. I mean, don't care condition, not high impedance. Sorry. It's a don't care condition. So whatever inputs you have, we are least bother about this state because I'm counting from here to here. That's it. Okay. Now tell me how to fill this table. How will you fill this? You need to verify what and what. You need to verify QA with QA plus present state, next state. Only the first column of present state, first column of next state to be filled in this category of SARA. Artha aita?
Repeat.
Fine? I will repeat. So
Yes,
everyone
sir.
got how to write the next state table till here? Till here, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So after this, we are climbing the flip-flop input. This is a excitation table, and excitation table is not for one single flip-flop. It is should be done for all three flip-flop because clock is fed simultaneously. This was not went through in your asynchronous, correct? So this is the only major difference from that to this. How much excited your individual flip-flops when a same clock has been fed simultaneously is the logic. So for that, we need to build this excitation table. So you got how to write this SARA, SPRB, SCRC. Is this fine with that? Is it fine with that outline, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I am telling how to fill this individual one now. So this is one flip-flop excitation, right? So you need to verify what QA and QA plus 1. So this is like this now. Look at here. QN plus 1. What is the corresponding SR you wrote? No, that you need to climb here. So look at the first input 0, 0. So if it is 0, 0, what is SR here? What is
Zero,
SR?
0 and 1.
0 x. Okay na? Next again 0 0. Same appa. Again 0 0 0 x. Next you will get 0 1 na. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೇನ್ರೋ? Any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine till here? Everyone. So look at here. So first three are same. Next 0 1 is there. So 0 1 answer is 1 0. See, this is why I told you excitation table is very important while doing design anta. So similarly fill the remaining two. If it is 1 1 category, it's x0. You need to compare. See, you make sure in the exam also excitation table is exactly adjacent to this so that you can compare and you can write easily. If you write one page here, every time turning pages, you will commit a mistake. So try to keep the things in one sheet. If you can't able to write horizontally or vertically, you can make use. Okay, that is option is done for you. What about last one? Again 1 0. 1 0 is 0 1. So next last two condition, whatever you worry, it's just a don't care condition. So any doubts? Anyone filling with this? First one. Artha aita artha aglappa sanide.
Sir, understood.
Everyone understood? Is it fine? So same way you fill the remaining part. You fill the remaining part. So now what is the answer for SBRB? So while comparing SBRB, QB plus 1 compare maro 0 1 1 0. Then again 1 1. Everyone, is it fine? Yeah, is it fine for you? I'm asking.
Sir.
Yeah, you fill this table, fill up this and tell me what is the answer.
Oh,
So
sir.
x0, then 0 1 0x, 0 1 0x, and
0x.
last is 0 1 na.
0x.
Okay now, is it correct? So same way you fill the last one also.
So 0x.
Yadappa?
0 0.
Last one.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Last condition, fifth condition, 5.
Yes, sir. 0
But
0.
0x. Okay. Yeah. 0x. Okay na? So same way you fill the remaining. So it's 1 0 0 1
0 1 1
0. Amala.
0 1 1 0.
Next 1 0
0 0 1.
0 1. Remaining x6. So is this filled by everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
So we got the logic now. Difference between synchronous, asynchronous. There was truth table. Here it is excitation table because clock will get excites for each stage. So after this, what you should do? You need to plot a K-map for SA separately, RA separately, SB separately, RB separately, same way that too also. Then get the equation individual separately and plot in a logic diagram. So that will conclude the problem. Got the procedure? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So plot the K-map and we will try to conclude this. So K-map Akrapa, tell me what is the expression you're going to get? Let's put a diagram here. That much I will keep. So I hope everyone know how to put a K-map, right? How many cells K-map you will put now?
8.
Good, 8 cell because 3 input is there. So I'll just show for one. If you plot SA separately, so take 8 cell K-map. So if this is your A, B, C. ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಇದು ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್
ಏನಿದೆ
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ಈಗ ಇವರು ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ನನಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇತ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ HOD ಸರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು.
ಏನು ಫೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಂ. Yeah. So fill this QA, QB, QC. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what is this fill here? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 0, 0, 0. If you want only that, you can fill or it's your wish. 2 extra. I think 3 is 1 now. 3 is 1 here. Then again 4 is x. So what is the K-map we'll take for this? So you have only 1 and x as a combination, right? Sorry, no? X is there for which one? I think 6 combination, huh? 7.
4.
0, 6, 7. Consider the condition x. How many x you have? Here 1x, here 1x, here 1x. Appa? So this is your 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So how the K-map will be? Correct and draw? What is the expression? Is it, I think it's QB, QC. Yeah, is it audible here? Everyone? Am I audible? Sanjay, is it audible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think you got the procedure now how to get these equations in the K-map now. See, in this first one I got QB, QC for SA. Same way you claim for RA, SB, SC, everything. That you should dump in a logic diagram using your SR flip-flop. Will you do this? Yeah, will you do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now you tell me, so we'll take a break here. So you want the session